The most special thing about the summer camp, I think, are the people and the approach to education, something new compared to school. A lot of activities, which is very fun, very interesting, and kind of refreshing. They're trying to incentivize teamwork and also incentivize people to open up and assume a leader's role. We're getting tools that should help us to fulfill our potentials as leaders. Like how to talk to people, then how to set goals, how to plan stuff, and give us the opportunities to use these tools. I think the learning experience at this camp is unique in the sense that we learn things in quite unique situations. We went on glaciers, we went canyoning, we went through tough challenges, I'd say, and the things we learned at camp really were helpful. For me, the most notable learning experience during my stay at the camp was the Glacier Expedition. The experience of the Glacier Expedition will be useful in my life because I learned how to work as a team, how to stay together as a team, how to encourage each other, how to stay strong, and how to lead during a unique situation. I did so many things in this past week that I didn't think I'd do in my life. I went canyoning, I went to a glacier with friends, I slept in a hut in the middle of nowhere. I went through so many things. I met so many interesting people from all over the world. It is truly worthwhile. I'm very thankful.